position for most people is just naturally going to be pretty much there. So you don't have to do much pre-positioning, okay? It's slightly into plantar flexion between 10 and 20 degrees, okay? So this hand is going to grab the talus like this, okay? I'm going to do just a little bit of traction, okay? And then I'm just going to glide down, okay? So for your grade 3, you have to be able to assess it, go to the end and come back up again, okay? For a 4, I'm going to go to the end, and I can either do my sustained hold for 20 seconds, or I can do my oscillations at the end range for 20 seconds, okay? And this is usually, unless somebody tells you they've had an injury to their ankle, this is a nice joint that you can go ahead along with the knee and practice those end range moves and not worry about, you know, the kind of problems that can happen with the shoulder, because they're much more stable joints than the shoulder is. Okay? So, if, Barbie, do you care which way teaching anterior glide for ankle?
I show them both and
Okay, so I'll just show them both and they can pick, okay. And for anterior glide, okay, for increased plantar flexion, you can stay in the same position. You have to make sure that you keep this pin down, and then you're gonna glide it up, okay? You don't have as much of an advantage for doing the grade 4, because you're coming up against it and pulling, okay, but you can do it, okay? The other option is to have to lay on your stomach, okay? And then the best thing is, you want to try and get this into a more neutral position, so you have them bend their knee, and this over there, and that rolls this way more, okay? And then I can take it from the back side, okay, and I can go anterior that way, okay? It's always easier to push to do a mode where you're going to do a grade 4 than it is to pull, but you could do it either way, okay? The majority of people are not going to need this one. They're going to need posterior glide of the talus, not anterior glide. Because even though I'm pushing down now, what kind of a glide am I doing on the talus?